Dadiji's house. Let's come in. Wow! Look, the car is parked. And come on, let's make Dadiji happy by giving the plants some food. Let's go to this. We need to make them really healthy. So come on, let's give them. Oh, the plant came on my head. Can you believe that? This one needs a lot because it's really big. And it even shot in my head. And this one too. This still here. See? First I'm doing the big one. So I can give them first. So, come on, let's go on the little one. He needs only a little. See, they're really little. Oh, this one needs a little. Really? So, come on, let's go over here now. There's so many plants. I just love plantation. It's so great. So let's give the ginormous plant. A lot for the ginormous plants. Oh, there's even plants over here. And over there. So come on, let's do over here first and then over there. So come on. It's really big. And come on, let's do this one now. First, we have to give Tulsi. Then, we are gonna give this plant. This is really healthy for the plants. I don't know, what is this? What is its name or? We need to give a little. Oh, there's rose! And then a little more. A little more. A little more. And a little more. So, come on, I have gifted Dadiji this plant. Let's give it a little. Oh, it's big, so we have to give a little more. This much. Spread it all around so it can be super healthy. I really love plantation. And now, let's water them. So, bye! Friends, now I'm watering the plants. So, come on, let's water. A little by little. This much. So, they can have good strength. And that can dissolve that we have given. Slowly water. Now, let's give to this plant. And add little more water to them. That is enough. That's enough. Now, let's give the small one a little more. So, come on, let's do a little more. I can't really reach them, so I'm sitting down because it's really small and I can't see them. So I need to sit down. And this one is a little big plant, so we need to put a little more. That's it. And this one is the biggest, and I can't even reach it. It is so big. And this one, we need the most water for this one. See, this much I think. I think this much will do. So, let's go. Bye everyone. I'll water my things and then we'll have a safe Diwali.